The Huawei Mate GT is one of the neatest watches we've seen hit the market. What makes it stand out in a sea of Android wearables is its 2-week battery life and stylish appearance that screams sophisticated, even though this watch is more of a fitness tracker than a conventional smartwatch. In the box, there's not a whole lot. We'll see the stainless steel Mate GT sitting off to the left-hand side with a leather and silicone wristband. The accessories include a USB-C powered charging dock, USB-C charging cable, and a warranty and get started packet. That's about it. Taking a closer look, we'll see the Watch GT looks really good. It has a ceramic bezel, it has a stainless steel shell, and a diamond-like carbon coating to protect it from scuffs and corrosion. It's also water resistant up to 50 meters, so you can most certainly track your swimming if you're into that sort of thing. Upon first impressions, I really like the looks of this watch. It is on the large side, but since it's relatively slim at 10.6 millimeters thick, it doesn't stand out too much on my skinny wrists. What I think is a pretty neat design choice is Huawei made the back of the wristband a silicone material to protect the leather top layer from sweat, so you get this sports band and premium leather band in one. I don't know, I think it's pretty smart of them. Now this watch, it features a 1.39-inch AMOLED display with a 453 by 453 resolution and 326 pixel per inch index, which is right on the sweet spot. Because of this AMOLED display and the swipe-based user interface, the Watch GT, it feels like a traditional smartwatch, even though it's not really. I mean, you get the notifications, you get these different watch faces, but it's the fitness features that really make up the bones of this device. In fact, Huawei made their own operating system for this watch. It doesn't run Google's Wear OS. It's aptly named Light OS because it is very light in functionality. You'll see that there is some lag and some choppy animations when swiping through the watches or between widgets, and it can only run a handful of apps. You pretty much just get what you have pre-installed and potentially some apps that Huawei decides to develop in the future. Most of the apps are catered to fitness, which is what this watch is really meant for. There is continuous heart rate tracking and accurate step tracking. There's GPS support to help you track the areas you walk, run, or exercise. And just by scrolling through the different exercises, you can see there's a bunch of workouts to choose from and start tracking your fitness activities such as climbing, trail running, cycling, both indoor and outdoor, and swimming. The most impressive area, in my opinion, is the battery life. It's the area that really caught my attention when I was researching this device. Even though it features a large AMOLED display, it's still supposedly able to last up to 2 weeks with heart rate monitoring turned on and exercising an average of 90 minutes per week. And that scales up or down depending on how much or how little you use this watch. So I'm looking forward to testing the Watch GT and using it to track my sleep since the battery life allows for it, and to see if its limited smartwatch features will be of issue to me. Also, I'll be looking into how well it compares against the Fitbit Versa, which is a bit cheaper and it packs similar specs and features. It's also from a company that is known for their fitness tracking devices. If you're interested in this smartwatch, I'll place a link to check it out via Amazon in the description. What do you think of Huawei's Watch GT? Do you prefer smartwatches for their smart features, or do you prefer them for their fitness tracking capabilities? I'm curious to hear your thoughts in a comment down below. As always, I'm BoHD from PhoneDog.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you right back here in the next one. See ya.